How to create origami step by step. Origami is the Japanese art of folding paper into decorative shapes and figures. Here are the basic steps to create an origami model. Choose your paper. Origami paper is typically square and comes in a variety of colors and patterns. You can also use any square piece of paper, including wrapping paper or printer paper, as long as it's not too thick. Make a crease. Fold the paper in half diagonally, from one corner to the opposite corner, to create a crease down the center of the paper. Unfold the paper and repeat the process with the other two corners, so that you have a crease in the shape of an X on the paper. Fold the corners. Bring the top corner of the paper down to the center of the paper, along the crease you made in step 2. Repeat this step with the other 3 corners, so that you have folded all 4 corners of the paper to the center. Fold in half. Fold the paper in half along the crease you made in step 2, bringing the top edge of the paper down to the bottom edge. Crease the fold firmly. Create the model. Now you can start folding your paper into the desired model. Follow the instructions for your specific origami model, which should tell you which folds to make and where to make them. Finish the model. Once you have folded the paper into the desired shape, crease all the folds again to make them sharp and firm. You may need to adjust the model slightly to make it look just right. Display your creation. Once you are happy with your origami model, you can display it proudly. Consider making a few more models to create a collection or giving them as gifts to friends and family.